is one you cannot see or touch, but you'll definitely notice it.
It smells good.
Smells fresh.
Smells fresh, clean.
The casino's air is now filtered by a new Atmos filtration system. CEO Pat Croft says the tribe looked at the system to reduce the smell of smoke, but found out it also eliminated COVID-19 significantly in the air and on surfaces.
And they were shown by an independent lab to be 99.9% that would neutralize the coronavirus. When we saw that, we just knew we had to do that and make the investment.
The filter cleans the air through a process called ionization.
And it emits positive and negatively charged ions into the open air space.
Joe Cooper with AtmosAir.